To show you this soup I'm gonna make.
Everybody's like overdoing shit. It's very unnecessary.
I have this chicken and I'm filling up a pot with some fresh water. Submerge this guy in there. Since I don't have a fully stocked kitchen because it's not my house, I'm just living here for now.
Just have fish oil yeast and sea salt and cayenne pepper. That's all I have as far as like seasoning stuff. If I can. Lemons or limes, green onion, garlic. These are 99 cents.
I'm making a chicken tortilla soup. It's a way to make do.
In this fake world, it's not so easy for nonconformists to be able to just eat plentifully like everybody else gets to.
Just gotta trust God and take what we can.
Now we're gonna put on the stove. Cheese, chopped garlic, and green onion.
I don't want to hear it that, oh, well, you're supposed to put this in there and that in there. No, you're supposed to be resourceful, to be wise with what we have. And this is what I have right now. That's my shit right there. I love